How to turn on or turn off light mode on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 phone with Android 13, MIUI 14. This is the Redmi Note 12 Turbo phone model. Let's get started. To enable light mode, you'll use the quick panel access to look for the home screen settings. And you'll go down to where it says home screen, this right here. From here, you'll see home screen, and when you tap on that, you'll be able to choose from any of these modes, but if you're looking for light mode, you can tap on it once, and it's going to say bigger UI elements, more accessible calling, enhanced security, okay? So once you're done with all of that, you can just tap away here, and you'll notice now your home screen is in a bigger view mode, simpler layout, and all that stuff, okay? There is not going to be any app drawer or anything like that. It's just going to be big and all that. Now, when you're ready to disable this here, if you don't like it or whatnot, you can just use the quick panel access once again, and you'll tap on the settings to get there, and you'll see to the top area, tap to turn off light mode right here. So when you tap on that here, it's going to take you here, and you can simply tap on turn off light mode. And you're back to normal. You can come back and turn these on at any time. Like, sub, thanks for watching.